All right, viewers, let's quickly cut across to the latest bit of news break that is coming in right now as we speak. We're going to get our viewers the very latest in just a short while. Breaking news coming in. Apollo Hospital have announced the rollout of India's third vaccine, Sputnik V, from the second week of June. Each dose of vaccine will be priced at 995 plus 200 administration charges at Apollo hospitals. This is the latest that is coming in. I want to cut across immediately to my colleague Sneha Murdani, who's joining us with the very latest. Sneha, what more can you add to this news break?
So what's really happened here is that, as confirmed by Dr. Reddy's to us, is that private hospitals will be the only ones having the jabs at least till the end of June or so, because logistics is a bit of a problem here. Right now at minus 18 degrees, it's not possible for RDIF to make this vaccine available to government hospitals or to state-run vaccination sites, and that's the reason why this conversation, not just with Apollo but also with private companies. As expected, this is along the same lines in terms of the pricing that has been announced by Dr. Reddy's already. These are the vaccines that have been imported from Russia. These are not India-made vaccines. The expectation is that when these vaccines come to India, the price is going to be somewhere around 700 rupees or so. At least 6 companies will be manufacturing. So in the next few weeks or so, perhaps sometime in the month of August, we will see the prices of the vaccine Sputnik V come down in the country, because these will be the vaccines that will be made in India. 6 companies will be doing it. But right now, the prices, as you spelled out, Preeti, is around about 900 rupees or so for the vaccine and about 200 rupees for cost of administering the vaccine. And like I said, right now, Covan also has got only 2 options of Covishield and Covaxin. But soon you will see this open up further to Sputnik V. But it's going to be available in only very limited quantities in a handful of private hospitals.
Right. All right, Sneha, appreciate you joining us with the very latest. We're going to continue to come back to you for further details. So Sputnik V is only going to be rolled out privately. It will not be available through government vaccine plan. It will be available on a pay-to basis where private hospitals are concerned. We will keep our viewers updated on this. Let's quickly move on, because